Right, change of plan during this stenciling. So, this is kind of like what not to do and how to do it correctly. Instead of using thy brush, use the house cleaning sponge. Obviously a clean sponge, but people use it for cleaning. I'm using it for stenciling. And just pitter patter on it like so. And it comes out much more efficiently and the quality is so much better, right? Ta-da! This, doesn't that look gloopy and a bit messy right here? That was used by this kind of motion with the brush. Yeah, don't do that. Just pitter patter and it becomes much better. So yeah, I'm going to continue with the pitter pattering with the sponge effect, then the actual brush, just in case anyone wants to know. Okay, don't forget, get your cups of teas, get your brews in, enjoy yourself, and I'm going to keep going up these stairs and I'll keep showing you how to do this pitter patter effect. So keep watching and enjoy. Thank you so much. Obviously put the newspaper there to stop it getting on the stairs, but I'm going to repaint them white anyway on the top bit of the stairs and then glaze it over. So show you this pattern once I feel like it's all gold and all patted in. Just put that sponge there, and once you've used your sponge, ooh, very nice. And then just keep. Okay, so you can see my inspiration, my vintage gold mirror, and my chandelier. It's all gold.